Powamoto for all things motorcycles. Riders, beasts, an epic showdown. Who will reign supreme? Shiva Rose, the Ninja, or the RSV? Let's hit the throttle and find out. For all things motorcycles, it's on!
Powamoto!
Motorcycle riding. Stunts like you've never seen before. Beautiful models.
You fake YouTubers, it's on!
And I can't.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. We are headed to the motorcycle meetup.
What's up, brother? Powamoto, the guy! Ha ha ha! Nice and clean. Look at it. Okay.
We're going for a ride on Hayabusa.
The outside, baby. And you're outside with it. Pull your bikes up now. ZX14. Look at this machine. Okay. You know where we're at? We're at the motorcycle meetup. The guys are going for a ride. So in this episode, we're going to take the bikes for a ride. We're going to see what bike you guys like. Stay tuned for this episode. It's going to be outside with it making noise today. Here they come. Yes, sir. Gixxer in the house. BMW. We outside with it. ZX14. Gixxer, what's up? He's on Powamoto. Subscribe to me. Okay. I hear you, Ninja. Ninja. Let me hear it. Number one. Oh, shit. That's the Scorpion. And he's rocking, what exhaust has he got, bro? The Leo Vinci. Let me hear it. Forget about it. Leo's the Leo Vinci.
The precision-engineered Aprilia RSV4 factory. Hey guys, and thanks for tuning in. Welcome to the ultimate ride with the Dade County Riders.
Dade County.
And Throttle Boys Mafia. Today we're diving deep into the world of superbikes, connecting with the legends behind some of the fastest machines on two wheels.
Alright, got you, bro.
Oh, my bike is the most fast in the world.
The roaring Kawasaki Ninja ZX10R.
That 600 Gixxer. It's on Powamoto. Dade County Riders, baby. And it's on Powamoto. Yes, sir. Guys, I want to do a big shout out right now to the Dade County Riders for including me in their ride today. It was such an honorable and absolute honor to roll with real legends. And what an amazing crew. Thank you for sharing this amazing ride and stories, giving me insight on your team and let me be up close and personal with these incredible bikes. That's right, the passion and camaraderie you all bring to the motorcycle community is truly inspiring, guys. And stay safe out there. The police showed up and ended the extraction. We are done for today. No more riding and no more racing. Thank you, Broward County. Broward County #1. We outside with it on Powamoto. These guys, don't worry, I got the shot. Okay, all right. The race is up. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hit that playlist, support this channel, fam, and I see you on the next one.
If you like this video, check out one of these 2 other similar videos. And thanks for subscribing. We out!